Hello everyone, how are you? Hope you all fine. Welcome to my channel Fatima Cuisine. Today's video all about the waffles. Waffles are very popular breakfast or a dessert item that is made from batter of flour, egg, milk and the baking powder. The batter is basically cooked in a iron waffle maker and the appearance is look like a grid pattern block type and the color is like a golden brown. If I talk about the serving of waffles, it can be served with the variety of toppings such as syrups, different syrup like strawberry, mango, strawberry, mango and blueberry and all that, and also serve with different fruits like raspberry, blueberry and all that, and also decor with the whipped cream as well. It is also served in savory section like the fried crispy chicken. Now I am talk about the texture of this these waffles. Waffles basically the texture is inside very soft and the exterior is light crisp. So first of all, do like and comment this video if anyone is new. So most welcome and please subscribe this channel. So start my video. First of all, I took the batter, two types of batter. First of all, I took the dry ingredients flour and baking powder and set aside. Then I mix the wet ingredients in another bowl, like I took the egg yolks and the 30-gram sugars as well, and after I added the milk, room temperature milk, and whisk with the hand whisk all the batter till whisk until the sugar is dissolved. So now I'm adding the oil and the soft butter. All the quantity of this recipe is side by side mentioned in the video, so you can see easily what quantity is used in this recipe. So now I am mixing the both batters, the liquid and the dry ingredients. I added the flour in three sections and avoid lumps. Basically, you can see that I added the first part of the flour and now I'm second part of the flour and mix with the hand whisk, very properly mix the and avoid lumps basically. So and these batter basically are prepared from the waffles, and so I am telling about the in three sections. Now I'm adding the remaining flour in this section. This is the trick that I am sharing with you. You have to mix in three section. This is the trick that I am telling you. So you can see that how I can mix all the ingredients with the hand whisk very properly, and basically the sugar that I am entering in the batter, basically the you can dissolve all the sugar. On the other hand, you can take the egg whites. I took the 3 egg whites and the sugar is 30 gram. So I now I'm beating with the electric whisk attachment, and beating from medium speed, and beat till the peak is stiff, like that. Stiff peak is like that. So you can the speed is medium speed, and then you can beat on high speed until beat it it becomes the stiff is peak is stiff. So the both batters are ready. First you can see that the dry ingredients and the wet, and after that I can make the egg white meringue type batter, and now after that I can combine both the batters, and the final look you can see that on the other hand. So the meringue is ready. So I can now I'm combining the both batters as well, and You can see that I added the egg meringue with the in two sections as well, because I can fold this egg meringue in the batter. Basically, don't over mix this batter, and you can very gently mix with the spatula as well, and the hand whisk as well. The batter almost is done, and I added in two sections. You can see that now I am whisking with the hand whisk, and the batter is almost done for the waffles. And these waffles are very delicious, very yum. You In comment section you can tell me about this recipe, you can like it or not, and you can also tell the thumbnail. Do you like, if you like my thumbnail of this video, you can comment this section about it. So you can comment, you can also comment from which country you can see my video. It is a very pleasure for me that you can tell me from where country you can see my video as well. So you can see that this is the waffle maker. I recently purchased this waffle maker because I have praised the baking utensils and baking items as well. So I recently purchased this waffle makers, and very very excellent waffle maker. I think this company, I can tell you the later. Very amazing waffle maker, and the I think the company is the Jipas. Very good waffle maker. You can buy it and enjoy the waffles as well. So you can see that I put the batter with the cups, and I make the four waffles at a time in this waffle maker. So I think 2 to 3 minutes, after this 2 to 3 minutes, the waffles are ready. And you can see that the very amazing textures, very soft inside, and exterior for outside. So this is the trick. This recipe is very foolproof recipe that I'm sharing with you. Recently I'm sharing with all of you the breakfast section, breakfast workshop from Cothm that I am attending in the past. So this is the recipe that I'm sharing with all of you. I'm purchased this workshop from last past, and this recipe is the part of this workshop. So I'm sharing with you the foolproof recipe. So you can see that the very beautiful brown color, and very amazing grid pattern of waffles. And I baked it for the more crisp texture, almost 5 minutes at 120 degree, and the waffles are ready. You can see the final look. It's very amazing. I serve with the strawberry sauce and the mango as well, and the blueberry, and also the with the whipped cream. The very beautiful combination of these sauces. Hope you enjoy all the video. Like, comment and share as well. So thank you so much. Till then, bye bye, Allah Hafiz.